Do you struggle to keep your seeds organized? Today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this with the help of one game-changing purchase. Hi, I'm Valerie and welcome back to Now Gardening. I have seeds I've purchased, I have seeds I've been given, and I have seeds that I've saved. And honestly, my seed collection system is a beast that has been begging to be tamed. And it's not from lack of trying. I've put a lot of thought into this over time. I've watched YouTube videos, I've looked at Instagram posts, but nothing seemed to be the right fit. Several weeks ago, that all changed when I saw a post on Instagram by the Herbivore Mama that inspired me to give something new a try. And now on to the big reveal. So this is a quick look at what I'm going to be showing you today. Now I'll go in and show you exactly how I'm going to be using it to organize and store my seeds. Okay, so here are the details for the case. This is actually meant to be an organizer for 4x6 photos. Overall, the case feels sturdy and I'm not worried about taking it to the garden with me. Sticky labels are included. There are 16 cases and each one is a little over 1 inch or 2 centimeters thick. And it's supposed to hold 100 photos, just to give you an idea. It easily held 100 empty envelopes, but obviously how many seed packets it holds will depend on a lot of other factors like the size of the seeds, the thickness of the seed pack paper, etc. One thing that was pleasantly surprising if you've bought a lot of things on Amazon is that each case snapped closed correctly. Overall, it feels like it's really a quality purchase. Seems like a huge improvement to me. Here are 3 things that I really loved about this organizer. They're big enough for my larger seed collection like tomatoes. This is how I organize my onion seeds. First, I'm going to put the onion seeds that I've saved into an envelope and get those ready for storage. Then, as you see here, I'm able to put all of my onion seeds, the ones that I've bought at the store, as well as the ones I've saved, into one handy case. Since the case is clear, I'm easily able to see what's inside. One thing I really love is that the individual cases are big enough to store my bulky seeds, such as these pink-eyed purple-hulled peas. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will know to show this video to other people interested in organizing their seeds. Thank you. Here's how it looks so far. I still have a lot of saved seeds that I need to organize, but I'm super excited about this. Earlier I said 1 purchase, but I guess it was actually 2 because I did buy these envelopes to store my own saved seeds. And by the way, I'll drop the link for both of these in the description down below. But back to the organizer, besides the clear win of having everything organized for a change, you know what the next best part is? I can carry it out to the garden and pull them out as I need them, store them back right away, and then bring this back to the house where I can keep it organized. I think this is going to be a huge game changer for how I keep my seeds organized going forward. So I thought I would share it with you. Thought you might want to add it to your wish list. I added a second one to my wish list, by the way. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.